Is your productivity stopped because your app can't find the ftd2xx.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. This DLL file is the D2xx driver library for FTDI USB devices. It provides a direct programming interface for communicating with USB to serial hardware, used in industrial automation, diagnostics, and custom electronic peripherals. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The FTD2xx.dll is typically installed with FTDI Chip. Reinstalling the latest official version of FTDI Chip from the official source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the FTD2xx. If the error persists, despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the FTD2xx message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like the FTD2xx.dll. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes the FTD2xx documentation. To support our technical team and receive updates on the latest FTDI chip resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.